Hey, what's up everyone? So my ankle still really hurts. It's been a week and a few days. As you can see, it still has bruising and pretty swollen still. Hurts right there. So yeah, probably no flick tricks. I tried to do a heel flip, and the way that the ankle rolls and flicks, it's like, no, not gonna happen. So probably just keep it casual again, just do some shove-its, some ollies, 180s, just, you know, so at least we're like, you know, keeping up with skating and getting outside, having some fresh air and exercise. These air walks are pretty much almost done. As you can see, it's starting to rip through on the bottom. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to retire these shoes and get a new pair of air walks. But for $40, these are amazing skate shoes. Probably do like 5 of every trick just to have like consistency and just to, you know, keep skating. Homie Phil showed up, let's go! GoPro battery died. Ah!